And in business, Kenya needs to foster collaborations with tech startups in other African countries to help increase the local production of smartphones. Qhala CEO Shikoh Gitau, who was speaking during the culmination of Smartphones for Africa Summit in Nairobi, says high import tariffs and lack of local manufacturers are key reasons smartphones remain out of reach for half of Africa's population.
For us to be able to create economic of scale, we have to look at a strategy of East Africa, strategy of SADC, strategy of West Africa, so that we can create a one single market that can make economic viability of production of these smartphones.
Working as one continent, and I make jokes. Everybody says Africa is a country. Maybe we should actually be looking at ourselves as a country and as a single market, yeah? A single market of 1.4 billion people. Because when you look at India, they call themselves a country and it's 1.2 billion people. China is another big country. The US is one country. Why are we siloing ourselves across borders and making life expensive?